Yep, this is what's happened. They got the gate loose. Here's number 19 and number 13. Come on, mama. She thinks this camera is something to eat. Yes, I know. Oh, we have had about, I'm thinking, 6 to 8 inches of rain in about 2 days. She's spinning it around. Yeah, I've never seen that before. Hey, we're gonna go up here. I've got a cow. I got a calf that's bawling back here. And I think I know what has happened. I think the calf is up yonder in that water. They've got the gate loose or something. We're gonna go up there and let him out. Yep, this is what's happened. They got the gate loose. Here's number 19 and number 13. Come on, mama. They got in here and got the gate loose. 13, go on down there till you go on. Go on, you're not wanting to go nowhere. That's what they're doing. That's where you gotta watch. Don't you get my apple? That's RC's apple. Get back, 13. They'll go down there. Look at yonder. 19. I bet that's her right there. Yeah, there's your baby. What'd y'all shut him up there in that bear fountain for? Huh? I heard them last night after dark, bawling. Kind of forgot about them. They ain't been in there too long, but they was in there last night. Yonder's 13's calf down there. He's going to nurse. Mom, I'm hungry. Real hungry. Hey, I'm riding up through here. There is a whole bunch of turkeys up here. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they're up there all into with the cattle. I mean, a bunch of them. Y'all see them running up the hill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's about between 50 and 60 turkeys right there. I've not seen that many turkeys up in here in a long time. Look at all them turkeys. A whole bunch of them. We should get a pretty good roll out of this thing. It's about 60 degrees. It's a real nice day. Okay, I'm gonna sit it down. I done cut the strings off of it. There we go. Oh yeah. Pretty good decent bale of hay. Feel like it. I was coming up through here a while ago. I seen this little gully. I seen a horseshoe. I didn't stop and pick it up. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I think it's right in here somewhere. There it is. Old horseshoe. Yep. Yep. I'd like to know the history on that. It's pretty neat. There used to be a big gully up through here. They need to do some work on this thing. All these rains we've been having has been working on it. But they used to, back when I was a kid, the gully here, everybody dumped their trash in it. So that may have been from that. But they used to work these old hills. Horses and mules. Had corn and stuff everywhere. And you'll find horseshoes and all kinds of stuff like that. Plow points. Every now and then I might find an arrowhead. I have found them all over the place up here, but not a whole lot of them. And most of them I found, I was riding on a tractor, and I looked down. I've watched the ground pretty close. I like watching stuff like that. Hey, I'm heading up here. I think the cow's coming. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this calf or not. Nope, she's there. That's all right, Mama. You want to buy a seat? Yeah. look at you. Yeah. Yeah. There's number 10. I haven't given him a bottle in 2 days. He's doing good. So you can see he's got a good look to him, healthy. He undoubtedly is getting enough milk from her. She don't look like she got much. Hey, I'm gonna turn the bell loose, but this is the first time I've been up here. I'm in Pumpkin. My old Kubota finally got to slipping so bad I had to switch over to Pumpkin, take the push hog off. Cows are looking at me kind of funny. They can tell something's different. But we got about between 4 and 5 inches of rain last night. It's very wet. It's a mess. We're not going to get a real big roll. I don't think. There it goes. About to run over a calf. It's going to hit that tree. It'll be alright. They're eating pretty good. It's about 40 degrees. It's kind of cool. Not real bad. It's very wet. 4 to 5 inches of rain last night. There's water. I'll show you down here in a few places. Water just boiling out of the ground. I had severe flooding. Well, I had a lot of flooding around here last night in Middle Tennessee. Well, we had flooding here local. They actually called schools off today. Called them off last night about 9 o'clock. It's been raining like crazy. Roads is closed everywhere. See that water right there is bubbling out of the ground. It's just boiling up. There's one. These hills create. You can see all these rockets, this gravel that have washed out of this gully up through here. I mean, yeah, I got that bale in. This tractor. Look at my floor mat here. I put a piece of cardboard in here. Man, I just hate to trash this thing out. There's so much mud. But I put that bale in. The hydraulics on this tractor are so much stouter than my old Kubota. And I ain't got used to the feel of it yet. I dropped that bale in there and then kind of flipped my point of my spear up and almost flipped the bale and the whole hay ring and everything over. Very sensitive and very fast and very strong. It's like light and day compared to my old Kubota. There's a little hole in the ground right there. And I mean, it's bubbling up there like an artesian well or something. Don't tell me how many gallons a minute's coming out of there. You can see it going down through here. A lot of water. There goes some ducks off my lake. 2 wood ducks just flew off. We have had about, I'm thinking, 6 to 8 inches of rain in about 2 days. And man, it is a mess. I can't even get to the back of the farm this way. Oh, I might could, but I don't want to. I'm not going to. Nah, it's too deep. I wouldn't drive a tractor into this mess. I barely can get through this way on the four-wheeler. I'm having to. It's really close. Well, 2 years ago, it was more than this. You can see those two gates right yonder. 2 years ago, that gate on the left was almost underwater. And then even the one on the right, it come across right there. That's when it got up in the road and shut the whole road down over yonder. You can see my mirror fount is about halfway buried in it. My water and that fence and gate right yonder, some of it's totally underwater. I don't think I can even go. Maybe I can go through here. Got all this old wood from the logging and stuff. I barely can get through. Man, oh man. Yeah, 2 years ago we had water. I think it was reaching right up to that bottom of that post right there, and it was coming across. This gate on the left would have been way up on it. I mean, I got several acres of water down here. Can't even see the pond, and you can see how much water is still running in here every minute. All these chunks of wood are floating around everywhere. They're going to be, I see one way over yonder toward my pond. These scraps from the logging. What a mess. And we're supposed to get some more rain tonight. Hey, look at that lake. They won't have no problem getting a drink today. This ground is rotten as everything. I don't know if I still got anything in my mineral tub out there or not. Hey, number 10. I don't have a bottle. Y'all almost act like we do. Look at there is actual some mineral still in that tub, and it's floating. And she's trying to lick it. And it's just spinning round and round. I don't think I've ever seen that happen. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. We were just right up here where the cows is at, but of course all this water's been running down in here everywhere. All the way through here. You can see where it's been washing. But this spot right here with all these rocks, it's probably been 15 to 20 years ago. We're cutting this for hay, this field right here. And we were running 2 tractors and disc mowers. And I had went through here, made one pass, and my son, my youngest son, was right behind me on another tractor. He drove across right here, and as he got over this, ground fell through. He was passing over it, and it dropped, and it come on out. Dropped about 4 foot, and you can see it's about a 6 foot circle, about 4 foot deep. It just went boom, and it scared him to death. I mean, it could have turned the tractor over. Who knows what it could have done. Well, ever since then, I have been throwing rock in it, and have tried to keep it level. As you can see right now, I need to add some more to it. I think a lot of this water has probably been coming in here and probably going through it, down in it. It's just one of those sinkholes that we have them in the area. This is a big sink area right here, and running on through yonder. But there's no telling how many rock I have picked up off of the field and dumped in here. And just to keep it kind of level, it keeps settling. It just slowly, I don't know where it's going or how big a hole is underneath. I need to put some more in it right now. You can see how it's lower over yonder. It'll hold quite a bit more. But that's just one of them things. And that ain't the only hole. I can show you other holes that have fell through. At least one of them with a tractor. Wasn't that big. But that's just the kind of the area that we're at. In Middle Tennessee and into Kentucky. Nobody knows what's underneath them because of, I mean, all the caves and the limestone. And we're sitting right here. It's just a big bowl. And then right over the ridge is another bowl where all that water was at, right there where I worked that calf. And then you go on down through here and you've got a continuous bowl. Kind of turns around. And then when you go, there's another bowl right up yonder, a big sink. And then on that, over that hill yonder, there is another big bowl. It's just, they're all over the place. When you look at the topo map, you can see them. And they kind of run in a line heading kind of like that. Come here. Pull your lips up there. I'll rub on your head a little bit. Yeah. RC's a good cow. Kind of watching this. You can't get over that trough to me right there, but they can hurt you. Ain't that right, RC? Well, I better go. And she thinks this camera is something to eat. Yes, I know. Oh! She's trying to lick it. She's gonna walk right. Oh, right over. About got cat slobbers on my camera there. Cow slobber. I know, RC. You a good cow. I don't have any more apples with me now. Hey, if y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification bell. I got 33 there eating some of that lettuce or something, whatever that is. Kale or, look at there. He kind of likes it. Well, I better go. Go down here for him, make sure they didn't steal my keys out of my four-wheeler. They bad about doing that.